Good morning, everyone. So in the last year, I've done more ROEs than I've done in my entire life. And obviously that's because of COVID situation, but there's been a lot of turnover as well. So it's one of those things that's just becoming the new normal. So I figured we'd talk about ROEs and when you actually have to file your ROEs. Now we use ROE Web, and I highly recommend that for everybody else. It is so much easier than ordering forms, waiting for them to come, filling them up by hand, mailing them in, all that good stuff. Okay, so you can do them right online, ROE Web. Just Google that and you'll find it. So if you have a break in earnings or reduction of at least 60% of your earnings in a 7-day period, or you anticipate to have a break in a 7-day period, you have 5 days to file your ROE from that point. So that means that if you are unsure of whether or not your employees are going to be going back to work soon, then you wait the 7 days and then you have 5 days to file the ROE after that. If you are sure that your employees are not going to be working for the next 7 days, then you have 5 days from that day, the day that you're sure that they're not going to be making money in the next 7 days, to file an ROE. It's the day at which either 7 days has elapsed and they haven't had any earnings, or it's the day that you know that they're not going to have any earnings, which is the starting date. Okay, so 5 days from that point. Now, if you don't file your ROE within the given time period, you could be fined up to $2,000 and jailed for 6 months. That's what the CRA's website says when I Googled it this morning, because honestly, I never looked at those penalties because we try to file them all on time, but that's pretty serious. I've never once heard of anybody actually being charged that or being sent to jail. That seems a little excessive. $2,000 is excessive, never mind going to jail, but that's what the CRA's website says. So I'm assuming that they only, apply those penalties in extreme circumstances, when someone refuses to file or something like that. But I've had it in the past where I got a phone call from Service Canada saying, "Hey, we never received an ROE for this employee," and I just completely forgot. This was, probably 10 years ago, and then I filed it. It was 6 months late. Nothing happened to me. I don't know. I hope that helps. Make sure you get those ROEs filed on time. If you don't know what you're doing, make sure you find someone who does, okay, because they are important, and it's important to get them right. Take care of yourself, take care of your family, take care of your friends, and be well.